This is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy. This is the New York PM session, and today is July 17th, 2025. I am currently short in Bitcoin, and I have an order set to take another position here in case this fair value gap that just formed is tested. I'll walk you through a few trades today. First, this morning's trade. Caught this trade here, this long here up to here. Briefly cover what I saw here. So you can see here on the 15-minute where I have this Fibonacci retracement here. This is the range coming in from the previous session. This being the high here, this being the low here, and then when the 8:30 New York time, which would be 6:30 here, this area, we get a sweep here of some lows. So if we move over to the left a little bit, you'll see this low here, this low here, this low here. These lows were swept by these candles here, and there's going to be sell side liquidity located down here that was swept here. So when I saw that those were swept, then that triggered my idea for a long position. So I wound up taking the long position based on those levels being swept, and then taking an entry here. I took this entry here, but it was early on this swing high here, so I took an entry right here at this candle, where the more appropriate entry would have been, at least for my trading style, would have been here. I like to enter normally at the near end, or the area of the fair value gap closest to price action, which would be here, but the risk to reward ratio would have been off, so I would have set it back here to the low or the far area of the fair value gap for price action, and then I was targeting this fair value gap right here from the previous session. So I took the entry here. We get price delivered to the buy side, sell side delivery, consolidation here, and then buy side delivery, some consolidation with buy side, and then into target here. And price has been mostly consolidating here since then. And now my limit order has been hit. I'll go over what I was seeing on that when we get there. So here, after lunch in New York, I came back to my station and saw this setting up here, this trade that I took here. And this could have been taken from two different positions. Not my favorite trade, and it didn't work out, but here there's a fair value gap. There are actually two fair value gaps, or this fair value gap here. There's a fair value gap here. So what I was seeing here, and also here, no, here. Yeah. So there's a fair value gap here. So what I'm seeing here is this sweep of liquidity. You see these equal highs right here, getting that swept by these candles here, and then getting the fair value gap set up here, and then getting price action trading back into this fair value gap here. So this would have been a valid entry here, anywhere in this area here would be a valid entry, and then this price action set up an additional fair value gap, and this was the one that I wound up trading. I got to my station right here at this candle and missed my entry into the fair value gap, so I set a limit order to the fair value gap, and I was able to get an entry here, but price action was delivered to the buy side, and I was stopped out as my stop loss was placed above here. But really don't like these double tops or these flat top type areas for stop losses. But as I'm learning to trade this methodology, I just want to trade what looks clean. So this trade stopped out here. Then I was trying to catch the trade as it was buying into a sweep. So if we come over here to the left, you'll see this area here where this high of the previous range was swept here. So I took an entry and set a stop about $100 above the high of this swing high. And then as you can see here, no fair value gap was formed here. So this was going to be delivered to the buy side here. And as it was, I was stopped out. Then I tried using the next level that I found. So if I scroll over to the left here, you'll see this area. So in this area here, or better yet, this area, especially including this fair value gap here. So basically I set a limit order to the high end of this fair value gap because it was unbalanced. So I set a limit order in here at the balance of this fair value gap and set a stop loss just above this swing high here. And that is the entry that is here. And then I set a limit order because this was a blind entry where I wasn't looking at the going over the ICT 2022 mentorship. ICT talks about taking trades when the swing highs are violated. So basically when they're swept, you want to enter at the sweeps. So I was attempting to do this here, but I think the better thing for me to do is just to wait for confirmation and get the fair value gap to form. So as you can see here, getting the bearish fair value gap formation here with these buy side delivery candles, then getting these sell side delivery candles, and then here with the fair value gap. And then this particular trade that I just took here, or that was just my entry was just triggered, is because it is trading back into this fair value gap that was formed here, and the high I have above this candle here. What was the last one? Here. And then both targets are the same. So there's a fair value gap that's here. There's a fair value gap that's here that was put in as price went up to sweep here, and then this fair value gap here that was put on during the AM session. So neither one of these fair value gaps have been balanced. So this trade is targeting this unbalanced fair value gap here. So both trades, same target, just one blind entry and one here, just based on price action. And I may get stopped out here. Let's see if this level holds. $7,876 here. So price came up to test the swing high here of the fair value gap series of candles. We'll see if price action will continue to the sell side here and keep the trade valid. If not, I'll be stopped out of this additional position that I've taken here to the short side. taken quite a few trades the last few days, so good, but not so good. I don't like trading too much, but things have been setting up. I just need to get better at trading them. Then I would take less positions because I'm making fewer errors. So part of this is making up for errors, or like taking erroneous trades and things like this. So 395, journaling here. 47, so very low risk on this trade. And may stop me out here. 7867, 7876, and stopped out of that ad. So just basically giving back the morning profits here. This just wants to keep going. So I don't mind losing this trade since it's set up as a valid trade. Candles to close. So even through this jumbled mess of trades here in the afternoon, giving back all the morning gains, this trade here being valid and this trade here being valid. Yeah, but that stuff not so good there. 1, 2. Still getting buy-side delivery here. So here coming into the last hour, or already currently in the last hour of trading here in New York. Is the entry 1222? That may be the exit. Boom, boom, that's it. That was an entry, so 1220 is an exit, so 1148. 1222, is there a sell? 1222. Yeah, there's a, okay. That's the one that's still trading, which is why. Okay. Okay. All right. Price action still being delivered to the buy side here. Two legit fake outs. Okay. I see also what I'm doing. I'm also not waiting for the market structure shift. So this is also the issue. To where with this trade here, the market structure shift comes in here. So you see price action. Deliver a market structure shift here. Buy side delivery sweep. I don't know, did this actually create a market structure shift? Yes, it's definitely the swing. Gonna fail. I don't think I know enough. But what I have seen consistently is when price action will reach the high of a range and then we'll do a swing, kind of like with here, with this sweep here, and then do a swing that could fail here. Here, seeing this sweep and then the swing here that could fail. So this is what I'm looking at right now. But what I want to see with that right now is a market structure shift here. For example here, so that's what I missed earlier. So seeing the sweep and then here the market structure shift, and then looking back and seeing the fair value gap. So I'm trading very prematurely here this afternoon and explaining why I'm giving back profits, because I have not let the trade set up. So even with this price action here, so let's look into it. So this is where I took an exit, buy side, so this is going to be here for the swing, never comes below, now it's here, goes up there, still here. Okay, here, and then boom. Okay, here. So you get a market structure shift here to the sell side, and that is going to be, the high is going to be back here, then it pulls back here, and then instead of going here, comes up. Okay. This is also getting to my station late and unorganized and unprepared. So now I'm just simply waiting for this. Here. So waiting for this level to be sold below, and then it'll trigger me for a short here. Okay. There's just not a lot of quit in Bitcoin this afternoon. Getting things right but not knowing why is not always the best thing for you. Well, this thing may not, or may or may not sell off here. Oh, time to move this up here. Okay, still low here. 974. 974. See if we get some sell side delivery and fair value gap with the market structure shift, and then be in business. Well, we'll see if Bitcoin makes the move down or not here. We'll know shortly as time in the session is running out. So, invalid trade. The trade that I'm currently in right now, invalid trade. This one, invalid trade. Oh no, actually this one, valid, invalid. All right, I'm gonna keep an eye on Bitcoin and see if it wants to sell off today, but it could be a while, if at all, before price action delivers a market structure shift to the sell side. But for now, this has been the live crypto market analysis and trade strategy. This is On Tilt Trading. We'll see you next time.